How to share contact on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can share a specific contact on Messenger. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now open the chat right here. Here you can see all of your conversation. Now open one chat, open it. Now tap on your name right here at the top. Now scroll down. You can see share contact option right here. Tap on share contact. And here you can share your contact with any of the contacts right here, like any of your friends right here. Just tap on thing right here. You can also type in the message, like add them. You can also do that. Tap on the send right here, and this message or this contact will be sent to them. Now tap on done right here at the top. Tap on done. Now to go back, you can see on this chat session right here, the chat. Now you can see that you have just shared a contact to this person. And that's it. This is how easy it is to share contact on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.